Okay, this is the final part of the video tutorial. Just hoping that this is going to work out just fine. Okay, because I have not installed Fraps or anything. I'm just going to skip all that and then hope that it will start. I just have to wait. If it takes a little bit longer, well, I'm sorry because of the fact that I am uploading the first part as well of the scripting tutorial, so that's why it takes a little more time. Let's call this Einfagen mod. I couldn't care less about the character. Okay, now what are we going to do? First of all, we're going to beg for money. And then we're going to choose our our extreme tuner. Like so. Now, as you can see, the Einfagen that we have here has the white wall tires. That's just a texture that I've uploaded to the website as well. You can find it in the DC Rim Pack topic. And we're just going to buy our front bumper that we have just made. And as you can see, it's located over here. Just go over it, and it says Einfagen RS2 front bumper. And because we have changed something in the files, in the Java files, you can see that the name change has also been here done in game. Now we're just going to select that one, going to buy it, go back, and we're going to remove the front bumper and replace it with our own. I'm just going to show you that the inside of the bumper has been texturized as well, just like the original bumper. We're just going to place it. And there you go. The thing is, I have shown you with the exporting of the file that I have used the original coordinates from Street Legal, and there you go. Now, because of the fact that we have done the loading order in the correct manner, you will see that the front bumper is perfectly paintable. We'll just select a spray can. As you can see, I have made a copy, that's why it goes wrong, and my mesh isn't all that, so that's something that you will need to take care of when you make your own part. Just please make sure that the mapping of your part is correct, or else you will have a piece of crap mapping like I have. But as you can see, that's how it looks in game. It has a specular level. That's the green glow that you see over here. So I hope that you have enjoyed the tutorial. Yeah, why not? We're just heading over to the test track at the moment. Just going to show you that it has the physics, because in the scripting part of the files, it redirected to the physics files of the front bumper. And as you can see, it damages perfectly. Let's just hit the other side. And there goes our front bumper. As you can see, test successful. So the only thing that needs to be said here is I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial and that you were able to learn from it, and I wish you the best of luck during our competition. If there are any questions that you have, if it was unclear or whatever, you can ask the questions to me or some of the people who are willing to help. You can do that in the Einwagen competition forum. You will also find hopefully tutorials from others there in our download section. So get on TeamSpeak or Skype or write it in the forum if you have a problem, and then we can help out. Okay, then that's it for now then.